Is your Instagram feeling a little euro lonely? Because that messenger icon has vanished without a trace. Don't worry, we're bringing it back with a few easy fixes. First things first, let's make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of Instagram. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there's an update button, tap it. An outdated app is often the culprit. Now give Instagram a fresh start. Close the app completely while swipe it away from your recent app screen, then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to get things back in order. Still missing? Let's check your account settings. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings, then Account Type and Tools. If it says Switch to Professional Account, click it. Switch to either a creator or business account. This will help sync your account correctly. After you have switched your account to professional, switch it back to personal. Restart your application and check to see if the issue has been resolved. If none of these steps have worked, it's time to report the problem directly to Instagram. Go back to the Settings menu and find the Help section. In the Help section, select Report a Problem. Briefly explain that your messenger icon is missing. Instagram support is usually pretty responsive and can help resolve more complex issues on their end. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has brought back your messenger icon. Remember to like and subscribe for more Instagram troubleshooting tips. Happy messaging!